Today in crypto. Today, Bitcoin has experienced one of its pairing. The dollar's reversal perfectly coincides with the current correction in Bitcoin, given how bearish the sentiment has been on the dollar, and how overly exuberant crypto investors have become after a more than $30,000 gain on their favorite asset to hold. A correction was imminent. Related reading, bullish for Bitcoin. U.S. inflation expectation breaks out from decade-long downtrend. Bitcoin and the rest of crypto have been nothing but a sea of green for weeks now, but the dollar has left the asset class in a trail of blood. Is there more pain to come, or should crypto investors be buying the blood ahead of more upside in the coming days? Did this Bitcoin cycle's FUD phase just begin? As the price crashes more than 20% in 24 hours, NLW describes the wall of worry around regulation that might characterize this cycle's FUD. Institutions use this strategy to hide their Bitcoin orders. Having smaller orders in essence fools the market into thinking there is not much interest at those price levels when in fact there is. MSTR declined by as much as 12.6% on Monday as Bitcoin pulled back sharply from $40,000 levels. Shares of MicroStrategy, MSTR, a business intelligence firm with considerable exposure to Bitcoin, BTC, declined sharply on Monday as profit-taking ensued following a parabolic rally over the past month. The stock touched an intraday low of $464.51 in New York trading, representing a decline of almost 13%. It would later pare losses to trade around $500 per share. At current values, the company has a total market capitalization of around $4.6 billion. Last week, the stock peaked just below $512, marking a new all-time high. The broader equity market was also under pressure on Monday, with the S&P 500 index and tech-heavy Nasdaq each falling more than 0.5%. MSRT's pullback coincided with a sharp decline in both the price of Bitcoin and the broader crypto markets as investors took profits following a relentless surge over the past 3 weeks. Even with the decline, MSRT's share price has gained a whopping 300% since last summer when CEO Michael Saylor first disclosed the company's Bitcoin position. MicroStrategy is the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, with 70,470 BTC on its books as of Monday. According to industry data, the firm has been buying up the digital asset on the belief that Bitcoin represents a dependable store of value and an attractive investment asset with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash. Despite its dramatic appreciation over the past few months, Bitcoin remains a highly volatile asset. At the time of writing, BTC was just under $32,000, having declined 20% over the past 24 hours. As it stands, Bitcoin's price has fallen more than $10,000 since January 8. Healthy price corrections are generally part of market bull runs. With one such drop currently underway, Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky thinks $16,000 could be in the cards. I have been predicting that Bitcoin and many altcoins will hit new all-time highs during 2021 and beyond, Mashinsky told Cointelegraph. Still, we will see several corrections, like what is going on today, that will allow savvy investors to accumulate these assets at a discount. After Bitcoin broke its 2017 record high in December 2020, the asset continued upward in parabolic fashion, finding itself worth more than double its one-time high of $19,892 less than 2 months later. Bitcoin nearly reached $42,000 on January 8 before beginning its recent descent, holding a value near $32,700 at time of publication. From its all-time high near $42,000, down to its recent low, Bitcoin has already corrected approximately 28% in price. Mashinsky said, Bitcoin's price has soared with lightning-like velocity in recent weeks. Although bull markets often include price pullbacks, what are some signs that might occur when this price correction is over? Regardless of this drop and many more to come, we will continue saying the same thing since 2017, Mashinsky said, adding, Bitcoin's bull run also comes in line with a number of other economic factors, including money printing and possible inflation. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.